Blueberry muffins, the best ever.
Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today I have my amazing gluten-free blueberry muffins. The secret is we are going to bake our blueberries for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. This is going to make them sweet and almost like jam. Then we're going to mix 4 tablespoons of chia seeds with 4 tablespoons of soy milk or another milk that you might want. 1 cup of whole grain oat flour. This is what we're going to use. It's going to be our base. 2 eggs, 1/3 of a cup of oil, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1/2 cup of coconut sugar. Here come our amazing blueberries. It's just 10 minutes in a toaster oven, in any oven, and they are going to be beautiful. So we mix our dry ingredients with a fork, and we also mix our wet ingredients with another fork. To the eggs, we added the vanilla. Why do I use forks? I love forks. They're much easier to mix. They mix well, and the food doesn't break. Now we're adding our chia seeds into our wet ingredients. Our chia seeds I set aside for 5 to 10 minutes so that they begin to hydrate. Look at those beautiful blueberries. It's like blueberry jam. It's actually the same way you can make blueberry jam naturally with no sugar. Now we mix our wet and dry ingredients, again with a fork. If you'd like a spatula, that's fine, but check it out. That's it. We're done. So we're going to use these silicone cups, and these silicone cups are traditional 2-inch cupcakes. We're also going to make some mini cupcakes. In the mini cupcakes, since I'm using a pan, I'm going to add some non-stick spray. If we made all mini muffins, we'd get 18 to 20 muffins. If we make traditional muffins, we'd get about 8. Big, fluffy, and beautiful muffins. Check this out. They go into a 375-degree preheated oven. The large ones take about 15 to 18 minutes, and the small ones take about 10 to 12 minutes. Look at that. Those blueberries burst inside. They are beautiful, delicious, moist, tender. Enjoy these amazing blueberry muffins, which you can also make with other berries in the same proportion and the same recipe. And that is all you need. The best ever blueberry muffins you'll have. They are beautiful, spongy, moist, delicious. Everyone's gonna love them. And I decorate them with a little bit of powdered sugar, but you can decorate them as you want. Look how easy it is. It doesn't take more than a teaspoon of powdered sugar to have them all look beautiful and ready to go. Remember, the Chef Pachi, delicious food, amazing mood. Enjoy, Chef Pachi. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.